in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk in
still moving day, so it's the 22nd of September still. I've just moved in and got my room sorted. But I'm going to film my room tour now just before it gets messy, and because two of my roommates aren't here yet. One is still kind of moving in, but she's with her parents still, so she doesn't need any help, and another is, I think she's gone to church. So I just thought I'd film it for you now. So this is the door. So on the door I've got my key, my lanyard with my key, my fob, my identity card and stuff on, my backpack which I'm going to take everywhere, my shopping bag and my dressing gown. And then as you come in to your left, you've got kind of like a cloakroom thing. So I've just got my brolly on the floor because I used it earlier and it's just a bit damp, otherwise that would be in my bag. Then I've got couple of coats on here, and then up there I've just got a big bag, and inside there is just a few more smaller bags. And then to your right is my wardrobe. On top of my wardrobe I've got these two wicker basket things which I've had for ages. I think I got them from Sainsbury's, and in that one is all my extra toiletries, and in that one is my clean supplies and just random stuff. I've got my straighteners, curlers and hairdryer. Inside my wardrobe I've got Storm, shoe, and then a few fat jumpers, another fitted sheet, and all of my clothes. I think it looks really nice, really like it. And then this is my thing that I got from IKEA where it's got little storage compartments in. I thought the storage compartments were going to be bigger, but it still works, it's perfectly fine. In this drawer is just my sports drawer because I've lots of sports things, so that's just all in there. And then second drawer down is empty. I forgot I had that drawer, so I might put those jumpers in there actually. And third drawer down is my snack drawer. My mum ate some of those earlier, so just got all of my snacks in there basically in case I get hungry. And then you come into, before you come into my main room, on your left is my Ensuite. I bought this mirror from Wayfair, it's just an over the door one. It's really nice and really convenient. And then in my Ensuite, there we go, you've got mirror, toilet, bin, toilet roll, soap, got toiletries on the vanity shelf, this towel which I'm using for bath mat, and then a couple more towels on the handle, and then I have this caddy, shower caddy, which has all of my shower stuff that I use, shampoo, conditioner, face wash, etc. in there. And light off and save energy. And then I have my window open because it's boiling in here. And then I've got my bed, which is a bit scrumpled because I've literally been lazing around on it, so ignore that. And then my top of my bed, I've got some fairy lights on, they just go around my room. Cute. I have my salt lamp at the end of my bed, and this is a little drawing that my little brother made me. He's 16, but he's really good at art, he's into cartoony stuff, so that's really cute, and he put it in a little frame for me as well because he's super cute. And then we have the desk. So under my desk here I've just got a bin that they provided. It's just a bit messy because it's got random stuff in. My wash basket, I've got my diffuser, pen pot, alarm clock, this little mason jar which I'm just going to use in my room for water, the Jacademic planner, Ruby Granger's master to-do list, my cacti, and that little desk that I've just realised that yeah, that's something I need to add into Liberty Court later. We'll just block that out. And then I've got my little number 7 mirror for my makeup, because I wanted to have my kind of workstation makeup bit. And then I've got a little tea station as well. They gave me this really cute reusable cup as well, which is super cute. Then I've got my drawers. This is all my stationery bits. The drawers are actually a really good size as well, which I'm really happy about. Second drawer down is that's like my makeup case, as you've probably seen if you watched my haul. And then at the bottom is like my electrical drawer. I've just got my whiteboard here because I enjoy using my whiteboard for maths. And then my pin board. I actually love my pin board so much. Just gonna pan that a bit. And then we have my shelves. My shelves are also really cute. That's just got Polly Pockets in. We've got my folders for all of my modules. This is supposed to be a doorstop, but it's a pretty crap doorstop. I wouldn't recommend getting a doorstop for uni, they don't work. I've got my Pandora jewellery box. That just has medication in because I'm a sick child. And this has perfume because it's a perfume bottle, obviously. They've got my plant, which is really cute, this little frame thing. And then the fun shelf. Yeah. And another mirror which they provided, and then my little heater. So yeah, I know that was probably really brief and really awkward, but I just don't want to have flatmates to hear me yet because I don't know a vlog. But thank you so much for watching, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Comment what your room is like, where are you going to uni, let's start a conversation, and I will see you in my next video.